Now let's showcase an industry analysis tool. Right, let's create another new page. Right, on this page, let's go to analysis tools. Let's first maximize full screen. Right, let's go to industry analysis tools. Right, and let's perform a profit versus cost analysis. Right, on the left panel, right, let's select net income. Right, and just in level 1, right, let's select two major industries. Let's see information technology and industrials. Right, okay. Now we use United States, year 2022, and let's start analysis. Okay, here we go. Now, clearly we can see that as cost increases, right, IT companies are more scalable, are much more profitable than industrial companies, right, such as UPS, FedEx, Boeing, and so on and so forth. Right, the IT companies includes Apple, Google, Microsoft, Meta, and so on and so forth. Now, there are several functions you can use to enhance the insights. The first one is notice that there could be some companies falls way off the range of other companies. These are the outliers. Sometimes the outliers might skew the graph, so you might want to remove them. Right, so we can remove some of these outliers just to make the picture more insightful. Right, let's use these scissors. Let's see if we can cut off Uber, which lost pretty badly in year 2022. Right, or we can add it back. Right, now sometimes it's useful to search and highlight companies in these scatter plots because there are way too many companies here. Right, and you cannot easily find out the one that you are interested. So let's say, suppose we want to highlight a company. Right, just for example, right? Let's say Apple. Oops. Right. Let's see if we want to highlight Apple and maybe another company. Let's say Boeing. Right. Okay. Let's say highlight. Okay, they're here and there. Now, of course, we can cancel the highlighting. Just click on the cross button. And sometimes it's useful to add notes or annotations, right, on the map, on the graph. Right, let's say we notice that Boeing actually was losing money in this year, right? So we might want to add a note, right behind it to see that, say, Boeing had a loss. Right, on the comments. Right, of course, we can easily remove the comments, right, as we wish. I also like to demonstrate an enterprise diagnosis tool. Right, let's first create a new page. On this new page, let's go to analysis tools, and within enterprise diagnosis, right, we can find out, let's say, enterprise comparison. And suppose we want to compare Alphabet, which is Google, right, Microsoft, and Apple. Now, if we know their industry classification, right, which is information technology, and their country, which is United States, right, we can select these parameters and then in the company filter, just search for these companies. Right, let's see, we can type in Apple. Right, here's Apple and so on and so forth, right? Now, suppose you do not know the classifications or even countries of these companies, you just know the company name. Then you can use autofill, right? And clear this up, right? And autofill allow you to search for those companies. And once you find out these companies, and the system will automatically fill in the parameters for you. Let's see, we're interested in Apple. Apple and second Microsoft. Right, and that's the second company we're interested in. And finally, Alphabet. Right. Okay, let's see. We can set it. Right. See, the system will automatically find out they are classified as information technology, and their company headquarters in United States, right? And then we can start analysis. Right, okay. Now, let's also close this, just increase the size, right? This is just a size comparison, right? Regarding we're comparing these three companies on total revenue, gross profit, operating income, net income, and profit before tax. Now, of course, we can, select off some of these just to focus on the others. Now, if you are not interested in size, you want to compare the profitability, right? Just select profitability and run the analysis again.